So there's a breaking update that is now coming in of reports of a French soldier having been killed in Iraq. And this confirmation is coming in from the French president himself, where it is being said that the French soldier was killed in Iraq's Erbil. And this French troop casualty, this has been the first one that has been reported amidst the ongoing crisis in West Asia, as President President Macron has now confirmed this casualty of a soldier who had died for France, saying that several French troops have also been wounded. And however, the French president said that the attacks on the troops is unacceptable. Let's take a look at this post by Emmanuel Macron himself, where he says that the chief warrant officer of the 7th Battalion from Basas died for France during an attack in the Erbil region of Iraq. To his family, to his brothers in arms, I want to express all the affection and solidarity of the nation. Several of the soldiers have been wounded, and France stands by their side and with their loved ones. And this attack against our forces engaged in the fight against the Daesh since 2015 is unacceptable. And their presence in Iraq is part of the strict framework of the fight against terrorism, and this war in Iran cannot justify such attacks that has taken place. So as far as when it comes to the presence of the French personnel in Iraq is concerned, that has been on for more than 10 years now. And the French president says that this is a mission of the anti-Daesh fight that they have continued, or against the ISIS, and has now been saying that Iran war cannot justify the attack, where a French soldier has now been killed in Iraq. We'll get you more back after a short break.